Hi, Professor Calamanis here. So, just a couple of things just to show you. So here we have your assignment. This is the basic 220 class, all right? And you have an assignment, a Precis for Othello, right? So we are now going to start using outside sources. So it's a good idea to look at page 752. There's a question that says writing topics. Number 2, choose a minor character, such as Roderigo, Emilia, or Bianca, and in a carefully reasoned essay, explain how the character contributes to the design of the play. So Emilia is good, right? Because the reason that Iago gets found out is because she tells Othello what happened, and then she tells all of the like Desdemona's uncle is standing there at the end of the play. So when you go to Hunter College, you can go to this website for JSTOR, and here's an article in Shakespeare Quarterly about Emilia and Desdemona, the women, and on like the 3rd page in here it says, at the same time such conversation denotes each woman truly, for Desdemona's remark about Lodovico's manners, Emilia responds with a comment on his physical appearance, a very handsome man, and when Desdemona adds, he speaks well, Emilia refers to his sexual desirability, a touch of his nether lip. The rich harmonies of this conversation, however, resolve the different values of the two women into complementary chords. Although they seem to value things differently, their speech nevertheless suggests that they can share unthreatened with one another and respective senses to the world. So this article goes on to talk about the song and how Emilia is, kind of responsible for the reciprocity of love, and she stands there while her friend is probably going to die. Like, she knows that Desdemona is just naive, but Emilia is pragmatic. So you can make the argument about that, about sexual morality, and talk about how the play is changed because of Emilia's action. So you can look there. And so you can also do something like that for Lodovico or Cassio, although Cassio's not really a minor character. He's pretty major. One thing you can say about Cassio is that he's the last man standing. Okay, so that's kind of your assignment, right? You have to write a Precis, but you want to pick something that's got a little bit of meat to it. So check out page 752. And then we have the vocabulary words here, and we're going to meet tomorrow. When we meet tomorrow, you should be prepared to talk about the scene that your group was assigned. So that's another thing you can do for the Precis. You can just focus in on this scene and just write about that scene that your group was assigned. So you can do that as your homework as well. So it's now 7 o'clock. The papers are due. If you don't post it tonight, bring it to class tomorrow. And I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, I hope that's enough. See you later. Bye.